Welcome to Istanbul.
Mom, look at this. Oh, it's beautiful.
This movie is focused basically, not basically, but mostly on religion. We see a lot of flags, and we see the tattoos, and we have the embodiment of the villains, not just the nameless villains like the others. So, is that what you draw to do this movie?
I was drawn to it for many reasons, not least because of the men I disposed of in the first film are brothers and sons and uncles who have relatives and who are grieving for the loss of their loved ones, you know. Even though they were horrible sex traffickers, but they're still human beings, you know. So it was a great way to start the film with this swearing an oath of revenge, you know, for these deaths.
Mm-hmm. Every once in a while in a history of cinema there comes a lot of movies with tough guys like yourself. You know, in the 60s we have Lee Marvin, in the 70s we have Charles Bronson, and now we have you. So do you think that there's a trend, there's a cycle of movies that came once in a while about that?
My guy fits into those cinematic, iconic kind of heroes that come up every now and again that audiences kind of identify with. A guy who's trying to lead a quiet, simple life and who does have a set of skills that if he's challenged, then he's going to wreak havoc, you know? I think cinema has many, many examples of those, and audiences seem to get a guilty pleasure out of seeing them, you know? I love writers, and I love to read good writing. And whether it's an action film like Taken 2, which I thought was a wonderful script, or Kinsey, which totally different vein, but again a very, very beautiful script. So it's always writing for me first. I have to bring your mom back.
What are you going to do?
What I do best.